So when we were hunting for a house a few years back, Kiwi Kate told me, we have to buy a house with a pool. So we did. Then came the reality, and I'm thinking, great, I work 60 hours a week, I'm gonna have to tend a garden, mow 2 acres, compost, have a greenhouse to work, a bunch of palm trees to grow, start doing YouTube videos again, and maybe sleep sometime in between. How in the world am I gonna maintain a pool too? There's chemicals to deal with. The 90-foot oak tree at the south end of the pool. Crepe myrtles with their buds and seeds. And a whole lot of pine trees and needles. Oh, and I'm going to need to scrub it and run a vac to get stuff off the bottom. The average cost of a weekly pool service in the U.S. is about $125. I wasn't about to go down that money pit. When we bought the house, it was closed for the season, so I had time to come up with a plan and automate as much of it as possible. I need something that'll keep the junk off of the top of the pool, something that'll clean off the bottom and scrub the sides, and if I could keep from doing weekly chemical treatments, that'd be a plus too. So what I did is got a solar-powered skimmer. This will actually skim the top of the water for all the leaves and debris. You just turn it on, hit start, and then it's off to the races. It's going to get everything up on the surface, and it's actually going to help the skimmer basket by not getting overloaded every day. I just dump it once a day, and it's good to go, and I got the entire pool taken care of. Next up, I needed something to vacuum the pool and clean the sidewalls. Because I've got a vinyl pool, I went with the Hayward Sharkback Xl. It's got soft scrubbers, it won't harm my vinyl, and it runs for about 3.5 hours. It'll vacuum everything off of the bottom of the pool. It even scrubs the sidewalls, so it's perfect. And it remembers the dimensions of your pool too. I can throw this in the pool on a Saturday morning before I go to work, and I got a nice clean pool when I come home for Saturday night tiki fun. And it's easy to clean out too. You just pop out the inner tray, wash off the filters, pop them back in, and it's ready to go whenever you need it to clean it all. Finally, the chemical situation. To get rid of weekly chem treatments, I had the pool company come over and install an IntelliChlor IC40 saltwater generator when we opened up the pool. I dumped enough salt in the pool to get to the recommended levels, and now it produces a steady amount of chlorine whenever the pump runs. After it rains, I can press 2 buttons and put it in superchlorinate for about 24 hours. When I opened this spring, I had to put 4 bags of salt in, and my levels have been rock solid all season. Now for the cost of doing all this. Now don't have a heart attack because I'm going somewhere with this. The solar skimmer was a little over $600. The Sharkback XL robotic pool vac was about $8.99. It's a little more if you want the portable caddy. And the saltwater chlorine generator was around $1,200 installed. That brought the total cost for all 3 to around $2,700. Now here's the justification. At $125 for weekly pool service plus chemicals, over a 5-month pool season, you're looking at $2,750. And you still have to skim the pool on the non-service days. For $50 less, I have almost everything automated. That gives me time for more tiki and more gardening. Nothing quite like having automated cabana, boys. Makes life a whole lot easier. You'll find links to all these items down in the Show More section below the video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, consider subscribing if you want to. Hit the notification icon and you'll know when new videos are being uploaded. YouTube has a habit of deleting people off of a channel, so we appreciate it when you subscribe as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.